What is up, guys? My name's Carson. That's my beautiful wife, Sammy, and we are the complete couple. Today we are going to be doing the Steel Pier
in Atlantic City.
Yeah, in Atlantic City.
On the boardwalk.
Yep. What else are we doing?
We're doing the Steel Pier. We're going to show you. We're going to show you everything there is to do. We're going to ride some rides. We're going to eat some food. We're going to play the games. Probably waste a ton of money. It's literally right there. Let's go do everything there is at this Steel Pier. I'm so excited.
There we go.
All right, guys, here we are. We're at the Boardwalk, the Steel Pier. I'm so excited. Look at all the rides. We're gonna go try everything out. Right outside the Hard Rock, right across. Also, really cool, you could do a freaking helicopter tour. How cool.
All right, here we go. Across from the Hard Rock Hotel, which we are staying at right now, is the beautiful Steel Pier.
So excited.
We came here flashback last year. Sammy thought it was open year round. We show up, I swear to God, it's a ghost town.
It was a ghost town.
There's not a soul in sight.
So upset.
So now it's happening. We got Lobster Fest going on, vendors out.
So over there you have a mac and cheese bar that has a bunch of toppings and a grilled cheese bar that has a bunch of toppings.
All the way behind the bar.
Then you got a tiki bar. By the way, it's cold. So there's that.
It is chilly.
I packed for like 90-degree weather.
It's a little chilly.
It's cold. There's pizza. This has cheese steaks and hot dogs, and that has funnel cakes and french fries and other stuff. And we're gonna try some food. I'm so
Let's do it. What are we gonna order first?
Yeah, we're gonna try this first.
Let's do it. I think we're gonna do a sausage and peppers. We'll show you guys when it comes out. Oh yeah, he's working it. Alrighty, food came out honestly really fast.
The cheese steak?
That looks really good.
Wow, it's piping hot.
I'll be honest, it looks amazing.
It looks, oh my God, look how soft this bun is.
It looks amazing.
That's delicious.
Wow.
That's really good.
Worth the 32 so far? I mean, if you just came here to eat, would it be worth it? It looks amazing.
It's really hot. I don't know, that's really good.
Well, I'm gonna try a bite. All right, we'll bring you back for the sausage and peppers. This looks amazing.
Side note, the Philly was incredible. Carson agreed.
Yeah, the Philly was incredible.
I washed my hands before this.
It's massive. They put mustard on it? Smart girl. A weird mustard.
Uh-huh.
Oh my God, it's the mustard's gonna fall all over.
To me, it's good, but it's not like
Philly's
amazing.
better?
Like that was like one of the best I've ever had. This is just like, that's good.
Fair enough, I'm gonna give you my opinion. That was a good sausage. Hold on. It's kind of the sweet Italian sauce.
That's what I said. It's, see, that's why I think I don't like it. I like kind of more of a spicy Italian sausage. It's sweet. I didn't know if it was the green peppers that were sweet or the sausage that was sweet. I found it very sweet.
So for me, that's a 10. Very, very sweet though.
So overall win on the fair food. So we'll go further down the Steel Pier. Oh, by the way, this is the barbecue. I didn't see it earlier. So there you go.
All right, here we go.
I don't want to play this.
You want to play this one? Water gun fun. All right, we're gonna play this. 2 throws, $5.
I'm kind of nervous.
You're really good at this at Universal.
No, not nervous.
Oh my God.
They're so light.
You still get a prize. Honestly, for $5, you still get a prize. That's a win. Thank you. Dude, $5, you still get a...
Someone's gonna love
Yeah, she is. Dude, for $5, you still get a prize.
Okay, just so you guys know, the balloons are really, really tight, and the bags are so light.
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep going. I love this game. Can you play this? You're really good at this.
No, I'm not gonna play it, but I do like it. Oh, it's a bow and arrow game. Oh, you actually gotta shoot it in the thing. All right, we'll play it. You gotta get it perfectly in the white. If you don't, so you gotta get a dead bullseye. It's 1 for 3, or sorry, 1 for 5, 3 for 10. Seems like a bargain to me. I'm excited too.
All right, here we go. If he gets this, I'm gonna be so impressed. Oh my God, you did terrible.
Oh, wow, I did terrible.
Obviously, there's a way to win it.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, there you go. Brace yourself.
Wow, right where you shot.
It's gonna be terrible. What'd you aim for?
Upper right, black.
Not good. We did terrible. Fun though. Yeah, you still get a free prize. Alrighty, we're in. They heckle me a little bit.
Oh yeah.
He told me I didn't buy.
Carnies.
He told me I didn't buy Sammy enough.
Look at all the games.
This place is awesome. These are your rides. So you got the mix I would never do, the diving horse I would never do, the tropical storm I would not do, the demon loop I wouldn't do, the freedom flyer I wouldn't do,
might be fun.
the demo derby I would do, the flying Dutchman I wouldn't do, the rock and roll I
Hold
wouldn't
on,
do,
the locomotion I might.
the surf's up I wouldn't do, the swing carousel I wouldn't do, the
Can you say
locomotion.
what you would do?
I'm going down.
Once?
I wouldn't do the twist and shout I wouldn't do, the balloon wheel I wouldn't do, beach bugging I would do that, dodge 'em,
My bumper cars.
the flying ace no, grand carousel I would do the carousel. Hero's Flight, no. Mighty Stampede, that sounds easy, I would do that. The Silly Steamer sounds cool. The Sugar, I just named every one, guys. So if you didn't want to hear that, then probably pass on through that.
See how much each one is, and then we know how many tickets we need before we buy them.
Okay, I like it. We got 2 prizes though for those. It's kind of cool. We spent $15, we walked away with 2 dog toys. Here's the carousel. Carousel looks cool, let's go this way. One's already broken, guys, that's scary. I said no on that ride, I knew it.
This is hilarious. Please look at the bumper cars.
Oh.
There's 4.
So this is an option we can do. Oh my.
Well, the best part is the kid's just driving by himself.
Oh my god. Alright, well, the Dodgem was the most embarrassing thing I've ever seen. Pirate game looks okay. So just so you guys know, this is for, the Pirate Voyage is for, how much was the bumper cars? I didn't see it. Bumper cars are 4, the Sugar Rush is 4, Twist and Shout is 5, it's broken. Oh, here's the BB going, this is fun. Sammy actually we were actually watching it, and one of the BBs recoiled and hit her, so I was like, I'm leaving.
Yeah, I mean
I was waiting for one to get hit in your eye. They also have a caricature maker, kind of cool.
That's cool.
All of these little things you can do. Yeah, this thing keeps going. So locomotion is 6 tickets.
See it go around. That looks fun.
That looks petrifying.
That looks so fun.
Now that's kind of cool. The Ferris wheel. Here's your Ferris wheel pricing. Adults are 12, under 12, 8, and under 3 free. You get basketball. This is kind of cool. You got a 3-point challenge. You get a $2,000 gift card. You got to make 15 shots of 15. This sounds impossible. 3-point challenge. You win 2,000. You got to make 15 free throws of 15. These are fun. The fish games are fun. $5 each. Here's the Heroes Flight for $5. That looks petrifying. Look at that. So that right there is your sunset bar. Kind of cool. You can go up there and get a drink, but probably before you get on the Ferris wheel. So it's kind of neat. I'm sure you can just go there and get a drink, which we may go up there here in a minute and get.
It's fun so far.
Let's see what else we got. The pier is huge. I mean, the pier is massive. Freedom Flyer, I would never do. That is a 7-ticket ride.
Kids only.
There you go. That's cool.
Oh, you love these, Bear.
It's a fun one, but this one's really hard. Look how wide they are. That one's impossible. Look how far apart the bottles are. Another bumper cars, $6 a ride. 6 tickets, sorry.
Yeah.
This one looks better than the other one.
Definitely better than the other one.
The other one was frightening.
The other one was really sad.
It was embarrassing. They should like take that one out of commission.
This actually looks pretty good.
This one actually looks full size. Side note. That one did pass inspection on February 22nd. Yeah, let's see what else we get. Oh, here's your tickets right here. So let's see the price of tickets. A single ticket's $2. I actually underpriced everything.
So that's $12 a person?
Or you could buy 50 tickets for $65. So tickets a minimum of $1.50.
That's $12?
Yeah, per person.
No.
Yeah.
Really?
$12 a person.
Oh my god.
There we go. Single tickets. We may have to come back and buy some tickets, but that's crazy. No refunds. Oh, you could do, that's kind of cool. $2. What is today?
Sunday.
Oh, Sunday. All right. I'll be honest with you, that is pricey, dude.
That is.
$2 a ticket if you just want to buy under. We would never go through 50 tickets either, so you're kind of like screwed. That's insane.
That's insane.
Kind of cool. They are building a new roller coaster. It is coming in 2024, not done yet. But this baby's a Mac Daddy. Look at this thing.
Wow, that's actually nice. That's like
a full-size coaster.
That's not going anywhere.
No, I'll come around and show you guys. You got this kind of thing where you do the flyer.
Like shot, yeah.
I have no urge to do that up in the air like that. I would like to see somebody do it. Now that's a heck of a coaster.
Yeah, that's like heavy duty.
Look, it's got actual gears.
Yeah, that's nice.
That thing's
wow.
nice. That is $6 a ticket also. Surf's Up is 6 tickets also. It's actually underpricing it, saying that it was $6 each. They're actually $12 each. There goes a helicopter. Swing ride, I swear I would never do one of those again after I did the one in Icon Park. Another one of these games, they're always fun. You gotta get a certain amount of people though. Oh, you got the ocean bar down here we'll check out. The mix is $8, or 8 tickets, and the diving horse is 6 tickets. And then we can go see how much the helicopter tours are. Oh, here we'll watch these people do this. Oh my God, I would never do that.
No.
I was actually envisioning a little more. There they go, they're about to go.
They're swinging, dude.
Oh my God. Hell no. Alright, let's go get a drink. Alright, we'll see how much the helicopter tours are. Steel Pier helicopter tour. Shoreline tour is $75. $150 for 2. City tour is $300.
Oh, no, it's per person, but minimum of 2
So I'm saying, so it's $75 a person, $150 per person for city tour. I mean, honestly, you got to think if you rode just a couple rides.
Yeah, ride bumper cars like 6 times. You're
Seriously,
done.
you're paying for that. Pretty cool. Let's go get a drink. Ocean Reef Bar. Here's the bar ready to get a drink. I'm gonna have to find out where the all-you-can-eat lobster is, because they're supposed to have an all-you-can-eat lobster fest down here, but I think maybe it closed early or something. Here's the end of the Steel Pier. This was 17.
There you go.
So also, for those who are wondering, the Crab Fest is still going on.
Yes, it's just at the front.
But it was at the front, not the back. And it was in the back, but they moved it
Well, I guess
due to
it's
weather, we think. Oh my God, it's about to go off. Oh, I got nauseous just watching.
Wow, that was scary.
We have kind of determined this thing's kind of a ripoff.
Yeah, I was gonna ride some rides, but I don't really feel like spending $48 to ride 2 rides.
I agree. Go in there and find out how much it is.
$70 for 2 people.
It's $70?
But right now, she'll give it to us for $25 each instead for $50.
Okay, that was nice of her.
It's probably usually $25 per person.
Nice.
She was quoting.
Yeah, maybe. 70 is outrageous.
Dude, you go to the one in Orlando for like $7.
I know. The swing ride in Orlando is like 20 a person. And
Is that?
And it's massive,
And it's
though.
the world's
It's
tallest,
the world's tallest swing ride.
I think it's less. I'll insert the price because I gotta know. I think it's less than $20 per person.
I don't know. I think it's 20.
I think that's like 12.
The world's tallest swing ride. We'll insert a photo right here.
It'd be awesome if this is how fast it goes.
I think it is.
I think I walk faster. I'm gonna walk with that horse. Ready? I'm gonna walk normal. I'm gonna walk normal. Here we go.
And you had a longer walk because you were a lot wider out, dude.
Okay, that's exhilarating.
Alrighty, we're back at the front. They do have roasted corn. It's closed.
Actually, that would use
Yeah,
corn.
the ball blowers are cool. I will tell you, they're pretty busy here today, though.
It's very busy.
So where was this crab at? So I know.
Oh, really? Let's go see.
Yeah, so here it is. Inside the Crab House and Raw Bar. Here's their mac and cheeses here, by the way. Shrimp. The shrimp mac and cheese looks really good. So it's supposed to be in here. This is the all-you-can-eat buffet. It smells like seafood. Let's see if I can get a little video. There's that. There's your little bar area. Not sure about that. That looks pretty. A lot of seafood. Crab, shrimp, peeled shrimp. All those shrimp back there. Looks okay. Looks alright. How much was it, so I know?
I think $45.99,
Okay.
something like that.
Yeah, I mean, I'll be honest, it kind of smells in here. Very fishy.
It smells good.
I didn't like that it was all behind the counter. I thought that was kind of stupid. They gotta serve you.
I really don't know how it works either. Well, then they had the hot station on the side.
Oh,
You
did
see
they?
it?
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
but it was like mac and cheese. But
Yeah. All right, there you go. So that was it. That was the Steel Pier. I mean, I think we did everything.
Yeah, I mean, overall, that was a Steel Pier. My census is definitely not as cool as I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, I would agree. I think it was kind of a cash cow.
And I'm all for the cash cow. We go to the Central Florida Fair. We spend, I'm not kidding you, hundreds. I'm not kidding. But I mean, we can get a pass for like $40 and you can ride everything. It's, I don't know,
Yeah.
this was just a little too overpriced.
I agree.
$12 a ride is a little crazy.
I agree.
For bumper cars. The carny games were the same price as all carny games. Those
Yep.
weren't that bad, $5 usually.
And it was nice. It's a winner prize every time.
And pretty much you always get a little price, and that's cute for the.
And they're great dog toys.
Yeah, and for kids, I mean, you get something. So
Yeah.
that wasn't bad. The food was great. Food was great. The drinks were great.
Yep.
But Steel Pier is a good time. I don't know if I'm gonna come back tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. It's
Alright.
definitely like an hour-long experience.
Yep. Alrighty. Well, we'll see you go next.
And that is going to be it for the Atlantic City Boardwalk Steel Pier video. We had a great time. Again, a little pricey, but overall really fun, especially for the family. And of course, the weather was beautiful, so we had a great time. Make sure you check out our channel for other Atlantic City content. We have tons of food, tours, hotel tours, all types of things on our channel, so check that out for more Atlantic City content. And if not, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.